Here's a classic contest style question. If x plus 1 over x is 3, what is x squared plus 1 over x squared? And notice, we're not going to solve for x. A lot of students immediately try to solve for x. So they'll start with x plus 1 over x equals 3. They'll try to multiply both sides by x to get x squared plus 1 equals 3x. Or x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. And you could solve this quadratic, but that's not the point. Let's go back to the original expression. X plus 1 over x. Think structurally. We want squares in the problem. This is equal to 3, right? So we can square both sides. And using that shortcut, that a plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, this becomes x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared equals 9. That middle term comes from 2 times x times 1 over x, which is just 2. Well, you can probably see the result here. I'm going to rewrite that. If we have x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x equals 9, we can easily isolate x squared plus 1 over x squared by subtracting 2 from both sides. The final result, x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 7. So without even solving for x, we found out that the answer was 7. This is a classic contest trick. When you see an expression and its reciprocal, squaring often reveals the next layer. If this had been, say, x plus 1 over x equals 4, the same structure works. We could square both sides. X squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared equals 16. And in this case, x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 14. I hope you found that helpful. I'm going to try to keep uploading one problem at a time for these longer form videos. I also have a couple of shorts you can watch that dispel common misconceptions in math. Hopefully it's helpful. If you feel like throwing a follow, that would be great. Take care and see you soon.